Right, very quick video today on the sound level, sound pitch, if you like, of the new Mini 3. Yesterday when I was playing with it for the first time, I thought that the pitch was a little bit lower and overall it seemed to be quieter than the Mini 3 Pro. I know that there's been a bit of discussion that a lower pitch isn't necessarily a quieter noise, but certainly it normally sounds a little bit quieter to the human ear and it's certainly a lot less annoying. So, very quick video today. I have the new Mini 3, I have the Mini 3 Pro, and I have the Mini 2. So I'll be doing a side-by-side sound test between all three, so with a little comparison so we can make our own minds up. So, further ado, let's do it. Let's take off. Start off with the Mini 3 Pro, just a little bit lower, that's it. Get that over there for a bit and then we'll get the new Mini 3 up as well. Well, certainly to me, I can see that the pitch of the Mini 3 is that little bit lower. Now, just take over that for me. So I think the only thing really, not very scientific here, I'm not going to use a sound gun, measure the dBs, there's always ambient noise around. Literally, we'll just do a comparison. So not a lot in it there, but to me the Mini 3, slightly lower pitch than the Mini 3 Pro. I mean, Mini 3 Pro is still a quiet little drone, but yeah, both of these very, very quiet. Right, now we'll bring in the Mini 3 Pro down and we'll put up the Mini 2. Okay. I already hear quite a difference. Mini 3. Mini 2. Yeah, so definitely a lot quieter than the Mini 2. Bless its little cotton socks. Higher pitch, and I do think it is louder, the Mini 2, than the Mini 3. What's also quite apparent though, looking at side by side, is the difference in the angle of pitch as they fly. Let me just adjust them. We'll just get them lined up and you'll see what I mean. You see quite clearly now how the difference, how the Mini 2 is very much horizontal. Mini 3 obviously designed to have a bit of a steeper pitch in its hover state. I suppose obviously because when you're normally flying it's going to tip forwards, so when it's flying forwards the Mini 3 will actually have a smaller surface area, so you won't be getting so much air resistance because it will be flat when it's flying forward. So very interesting there. Right, anyway, that's enough flying today. Very grim, grey, still autumnal day, but nice to see that with every new model that DJI bring out, it looks like we get a little bit quieter, a little bit lower pitch, a little bit less intrusive, which is absolutely brilliant. Anyway, short and sweet today. Lots more testing to do over the next few days. So, as ever, till next time, have fun, happy flying.